Congratulations, sir. Acting IG, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let us know what this appointment means to you.
The appointment means a lot to me. It means a lot to me because I have the love of my profession, the love of the country, and it came at a time I was not expecting it. That makes me give thanks to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for his magnanimity to see me fit to be appointed as the Inspector General of Police.
Okay, so what would
the president seems to believe so much in you. He spoke glowingly of you, of your career. He knows a lot about your past. So what does this do as in form of encouragement towards the assignments you have at hand?
The president mentioning a lot of activities about me, mentioning areas I've worked, mentioning successes I've recorded as a policeman, brought emotion to me, almost brought me to tears. It shows the president took his time to monitor officers working everywhere in the country. And it shows the president was throwing a challenge at me to go out there and do what I'm known for and ensure that I bring peace, recognition, and co to the country.
Okay, so what would be your top priority for Nigeria?
My top priority, one of the first lectures I'm going to have with my men, I'm going to talk to them, let them know that the citizen of the country are the boss. It's very, very important for them to know that no police anywhere in the world can succeed without the cooperation of members of the public. I'm going to ensure that I take their welfare into consideration because people who are motivated are putting their best.
So what charge will you be giving to your men and officers for the public to know and keen into your vision for the police?
I will let them know that the area of impunity is over. I will ensure that I train them and encourage them to ensure they follow human rights. I will ensure that they know that I will try to follow a regime of zero tolerance to corruption. And most importantly, I'm going to drum it into them that we can never succeed without the cooperation of members of the public. I will make sure I do that. And most importantly, again, the country is facing a particular problem now, issue of banditry, insurgency. I know all police officers around have been doing their best. They are hardworking people. All I need to do is to channel their morale and their thoughts to make anything better.
I appreciate that.
Thank you.
What belief do you have in this carry on from where you started?
Yeah, let me start by saying that I give glory to God that I'm stepping aside today as Inspector General of Police. My gratitude goes to Mr. President for reposing enormous confidence in me right from the time he appointed me as his CSO when he was governor in Lagos to the time he appointed me as Inspector General of Police until this day that I'm stepping aside. And in fact, till tomorrow, I'm grateful to him. I am particularly excited that I am handing over today to someone with whom I share a unique history. We both had the rare privilege of benefiting from the mentorship of Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, dating back to his days as governor of Lagos State. I remember learning something. I learned many things from him, from Mr. President, but there is something I remember he said when he was governor in Lagos. He once said that a good leader should have a succession plan and must invest in his likely successors. I invested in likely successors in the Nigerian police force, and I'm happy that one of those that I've invested in has been found most suitable for the job and has been decorated today, and I'll be handing over in the next few moments. Thank you.
Your advice, sir?
My advice to the newly appointed acting Inspector General of Police is that he should continue to show commitment to the things that we have been doing together. He has been part of my administration from the beginning. He was my PSO. He was CP in Rivers in FCT. He was the AIG in charge of my SPU. When Mr. President gave the order, presidential order, to withdraw police from VIP protection, it was Tunji Disu I called upon to ensure that presidential order was given full compliance, and he did it so well. I am happy that he's the one that is taking over from me, and my advice to him again is that he knows all those things we've been doing together, restructuring our intelligence coordination, improving interagency deployment model, dismantling several criminal syndicates. I'm sure he's going to continue to do that, and improving our intelligence response mechanisms. I have so much confidence that he will surpass what I have done. So I thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.